Where are we?
Disney! And we're at a resort we
Yay.
have not stayed at together. So this is going to be a cool experience.
The most magical place on the planet. Alright, so we have our room. It's ready. But it also happens to be probably the farthest room away from the check-in area. But at least it's right across the bridge from where we would get onto the Skyliner. But we're going to go check in, put our bags away, and come back to the Banana Cabana for a drink to start the vacation. See you then. We're in our room. Yay! Let's give you a quick tour. Not much to see, but it's definitely a pirate room. Full-on pirate beds. Love the theming. From ceiling to floor.
And it's a boat. And the bed is a boat.
Nice. And we've got the map all in the carpet.
Oh, the drawers are chests. These are chests. These are drawers.
This is where we keep our bounty, right?
Yes. Where's our fridge?
Our fridge, surprisingly enough, is right there.
Fantastic.
And I like that.
That's great.
Clear
I
front.
love it. Love it. Oh my God, that is so cute.
No real door. But we do have a curtain that divides the room, seeing as how there's only two of us. Won't be much of a privacy problem. We have nice enough shower head, and let's see. Oh, hello. Hi.
I love the beds.
Okay, so apparently Cheryl says the beds are the best part
They're shifts.
of the entire room.
Look at this whole end. And all the way down the sides.
So later, we'll tell you about the water pressure in a shower, as if you care. But first, this isn't an actual vacation until we go where?
Do we have a drink at the pool bar? Banana Cabana.
We'll see you there. Starts the vacation. We're sitting at the Banana Cabana.
The Banana Cabana.
This officially starts the vacation time. We're sitting at the Banana Cabana, having drinks with a wonderful view of it. The gondolas have stopped, but we're not on them. We have drinks. Happy Disney vacation, everyone.
Cheers.